firework video.
Alright guys, we're lighting off fireworks this nighttime. Oh my god, one fell. Oh my god. Is one upside down? Oh my god. What is upside down?
It's fine.
Oh.
Are you recording?
Yeah.
Can I say hi?
Share.
Wrestling. Subscribe. I have 2 accounts, but BMW only has 0.
Guys, something bad happens. Hear the noise? Oh, there's kids on the trampoline. But then the problem is, another one we set off happens again.
Here it goes. Oh my god.
It blew up in the water. Holy crap, guys.
Dude, these things don't work. These things are going right in the water. It went right in the water. And then it blew up underwater.
I like it, but
Did you not just see that? Oh my god.
those ones break.
Oh, woo, bro.
America.
Shoot, 5 minutes too, I guess.
Oh.
Oh, right in the water.
Yeah.
You better shoot loud, because I'm not going to hear. America! I got the flag right in it, so it's America.
Ah. No, let's freaking go though.
Ah! Woo!
Ah.
America!
The gun goes boom. I did like a gunshot. I went like this.
America!
Watch this. Oh, my bullet just went.
Oh my god, that was a sick bullet. Oh yeah.
I doubled it. Watch this, guys.
Here we go. Stop! Oh, look at that! We went on the boat! We're on the boat! right through the water. Oh my god. I'm about to get ashed in 1 minute here, bro. I'm about to get so ashed. There's gonna be ash coming from the sky. It's not even gonna be funny. Is it? Why is that on the boat? That's kind of weird. It's not that big. Woo! Whoa, that's pretty. Whoa! Whoa! Oh my god, I'm cooked. I'm so cooked.
Whoa, that's so cool.
It should be going up.
Whoa, guys, that was freaking sick, huh?
Alright guys, we were just pranking people, but now we're at the moose, behind the moose. This is a party, bro. We got police down there making sure people aren't sneaking.
We're at the Moose with Grayson.
Us and all that, whole playground, everything, and then bitty fireworks. Fireworks, so. Follow me. Best spot. What? How do you know this is just the best spot? I usually put my feet here, sit right here usually. Those are there. Look at that one, bro. Right there. It's green, purple. The only reason I'm not taking a video on my phone is because my phone's at 3%. Oh, actually? Oh my god, 3%. Oh my god. Where'd you get charged at? Well, I never charge my phone. You need to know that. Yeah, that's true. My phone charges itself now. One time, I was... Oh, yeah, it's a big one. No, it's not. Oh, damn it. Okay, one time I went to sleep, and then my phone, I put my phone in the charger. I'm not in the charger, by my side in the bed. I woke up and it was exactly on the side of my bed, like where it was before. And then it was somehow fully charged. You can take your spot. Ow. move. Scoot over. So I don't get yelled at. I don't want to get yelled at. I'm right at the edge. Literally right at the edge.
Where did I just go?
Out to five. I'm thirsty. I kind of drink all I drink. He's coming. Oh, where'd my Gatorade go? Hey, bro, you're the manager. What the heck? Are you the manager? Well, my foster brother works here.
No, he doesn't.
You want to go prank people? Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm gonna go on the United States just got bombed. Bye, Noah. No, don't leave. I'm gonna go like prank people.
Well, let's go get our drinks. I gotta get my drinks.
But my drink's gone. I took my hoodie. I'm gonna jump down.
I mean, I could, but I don't want to get yelled at, I guess.
Oh, I'm sliding. Slow.
Bro's actually doing it. Bro's actually doing it. Yeah, you just do that. Easier.
Oh, here's your
It looks like guys are just gonna hang out and stuff.
Oh my god. We can. The Best Buy. With you.
Thing looks 20 years old. Thing looks 20 years old, bro. Ash. He says this is a good spot. Oh my god, it's dented. Right here. That one don't look good. Well, you take up half the slide, right? Bruh. 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 No one actually knows without getting yelled at. Step here. What do we want? Not right now. Not in the moment. We will after a video. Oh my god, he just jumped. I was doing that. Bro, stop doing that. Why are you doing that for? What are you doing that for? It's like running up to children and jumping. Oh my god, there's a child. You touched their toes? What? I'm sorry that he touched your toes. What? What's going on?
But why are you going to the store?
Grayson's getting in a big fight right now. Oh no.
What are you playing? They're calling you short. Roy short. What? Roy short. You're short? Yeah. You're short. To him you are. This is short. Bro, I'm barely even that. Big back stepped and my toe was broken.
Yo.
Hey, bro. Nothing like the same guy.
Oh, bro, man.
That kid was
He's coming. Oh my god, he's coming. Yo, he's chasing us. What the hell? Oh, he's chasing turned around, he turned around.
What? Well, he was calling his no kids store, so who are you? He stepped on my toe. He stepped on my toe and almost broke it. He stepped on my toe and almost broke it.
Oh my god,
And he completely has no.
bro, everyone is.
Oh, he's going to all the kids to wine. Oh my god. Oh my god. He's going to all the kids. Bro, this is drama. No, he's going to all kids short. Where's Tommy at?
Bro, guys, the kids that they were flipping us off and stuff. Now we're getting them to go on the. Now we're good sides, and now they're getting after them.
What kids? Not them two. It's no. Them two. You could be Jordan.
Guys, this is finale.
Whoa! What's going on, bro? We're just swinging, and this started happening, bro. I think this is finale. This must be, because it's going crazy as hell, bro. Oh my god, there's a kid on the fucking thing. He's gonna get yelled at so badly, he's not even gonna do anything.
Guys, that's it. That was finale. Holy crap, that's
That was
the
it.
fireworks.
Mason?
There's a firefighter over there. I can see the truck. Go over to the other one. No, he's going to the other one. Go. Oh my god, the whole fire department's going down there and everything. What the hell? Alright guys, think that'll be a
Peace, and then those kids are idiots.
Oh.
Alright, guys, that's the end of the firework video. Alright, guys, peace.